Hi, I'm Jim Reiman, and I'm the Chair of Graphic Design and Photography at Rocky Mountain College of Art and Design. Today we're going to talk about three-point lighting. But before we get started, let's switch to our model. Today we'll be using a Canon R, which is one of Canon's mirrorless cameras. We'll also be using a 24-105 lens, and we'll be tethering to Lightroom. The lights we'll be using today are Ikan LED lights. These are great because you can dim the power and change the color temperature. Three-point lighting is a really common lighting technique used in portraits and interviews. Being able to quickly set up three-point lighting will show that you're a professional. It'll also make you really marketable if you're interested in assistant work. The first light we're going to talk about is the key light. The key light is the main light on your subject, and it'll be the light that you build all the other lights off of. The key light is the most important light because it's going to define the subject the most. The next light we'll add is our fill light. The fill light is used to just fill in the shadows created by the key light. This will give the photo a softer appearance. The last light we're going to add is our backlight. This is going to help separate the subject from the background and add some dimensionality. To learn more about what we have to offer, please visit www.rimcad.edu.